Hi, I'm Mark Shaw with Ultratech International, here to tell you about the product of the month. It's the Ultra Dewatering Bag. We've selected this product as product of the month because it has a lot of potential that I don't think is being seen out there yet in form of all of our distributors and reps really pushing the product. The reason I say this is dewatering bags, which are used at construction sites to put on the end of pumps. So when they're pumping water out of ditches, out of drainage off a site that just had rain and they need to kind of dewater the site, perhaps they're pumping it out of a pond, whatever the application is, they no longer can just pump it into the street and down a drain like they used to. They have to pump it through some sort of a filtering system, and a dewatering bag like this is the preferred method to do it with. It is, however, a commodity product. So what we've done as a company is we've gone over to China, we've secured production over there, and are starting to produce the dewatering bags in China. This gives us a huge advantage. We're going to have plenty of inventory, and we're going to have the lowest price available here in the United States. So how do you sell commodity products? It's price and availability, and we'll have both. So we really want to encourage you and your distributors to focus on promoting this product. If you haven't sold any before, find some local construction companies, call them up, see if they're using dewatering bags. If they are, let them know you want to quote it. Certainly on the larger quotes, we'll go down in price as need be, but we will have the most competitive pricing around and a good quality product. New regulations just came out from the EPA in February of this year, and they've strengthened and redefined the construction compliance regulations for water and turbidity coming off the construction sites. What it states is that you have to have BMPs that will prevent pollution from leaving your construction site, and you have to maintain those BMPs. And one of the best ways to handle dewatering operations is a single-use ultra dewatering bag. Let me give you an example of what it looks like and how it's used. It comes boxed in a bag with instructions. This is a 6x6 unit, or excuse me, a 3x4 unit. We also have 6x6, 10x15 foot, and 15 foot by 15 foot models. We can also make custom models. There have been distributors who bought hundreds and hundreds at a time in a 7x8 or in a 12x15. Just depends on the application. So we have the ability to produce larger models, 5x15 as well. This is a standard look. It's got a neck to it. This is where the hose goes into from the pump. You then use these straps to tighten this around the hose and tie it off to secure it. As you're pumping into this, it's laying on the ground. It can lay on a pallet, whatever you like. And the fabric material it's made out of will do two purposes. One, it'll pull off any oil that's present in the water being pumped off. And the second thing is it will actually retain the sediment to a very high percentage that's being pumped out as well. The sediment is ultimately going to help you, by not releasing that, it's going to help you meet your turbidity standards at construction sites. This is a single-use bag. Once you're done, you typically drag it to a part of the site that is out of the way, slit it open, empty the contents, and throw the bag away. We also have a reusable model if the construction site is interested in that, but this tends to be the preferred model as far as volume out in the marketplace. We have another option available with this, and it's the Ultra Hose Connect. The Ultra Hose Connect is an optional item you can buy. It comes with a hose clamp, and the way this is used is you simply insert this into the opening. You no longer have to use the ties. You wrap this around, tighten the hose clamp on it, and this allows you then to screw your hose into the end of this. You can screw in a bower and then use a bower for a quick connect, and when you're done you can simply remove this and use it again on another dewatering bag. So the opportunities with construction sites can be hundreds, 50, 200. It can be multiple units per month, per week, depending on the size of the construction site. And it's something that any of you that are out there with the Ultratech product line should take advantage of and try and get some customers in this market. It's going to help your bottom line and your profitability. Thank you very much.